Imagine how good you'll feel while drinking a glass of all-natural cherry juice after you complete a short stability ball plank exercise. During plank your exercise, your body is aligned, straight and true, your body balanced in perfect harmony. Picture your forearms, strong as oak, resting on the gentle curve of a stability ball, your toes, a firm anchor on solid ground. This, my friends, is the power of the plank. Engage your core, a fortress against the pull of gravity. If you don't have access to a stability ball, you can simply perform this plank exercise right on the floor. Feel the burn, not as pain, but as transformation. It's a dance of endurance, a testament to your grit. Hold your position, hold your resolve, and defy the ticking clock. Don't yield to the tremble in your muscles, it's a whisper of progress. Embrace the challenge, for every second counts. It's not just about strength, it's about stamina, resilience, and the will to persevere. Remember, this is more than just a workout, it's a journey. A journey of personal growth, of pushing boundaries, and of proving to yourself what you're truly capable of. So hold on tight, and let the plank guide you on the path to a stronger, fitter, better you. Finally, if you experience joint pain or muscle soreness due to physical exercise, enjoy a glass of all-natural cherry juice from Traverse Bay Farms.